first question says work out 0.3 times 0.7. So we know that 3 times 7 is 21. So if it's 0.3 and 0.7, what we do is we always assume that there's a decimal after whole number. What we will do is we move these two places to the left. So that means 0.3 times 0.7 is equal to 0.21. You can easily solve like decimals like this if they're like easy calculations like these without doing the entire thing. Just multiply the number after the decimal and then move the decimal. That means number of places based on how many number of places there are in total in two numbers are given. So since one decimal place over here and one decimal place over here, all together that's two decimal place. So 21 would be 0.21. Next question says work out the distance between the town and the beach. So as you can see in the diagram, on the left hand side, the town is 2.5 kilometers away. And on the right hand side, the beach is 750 meters away. So notice the metric units are different. So when you're going to start solving this, we need to convert them either into kilometers or meters. So that's up to you. Since they haven't specified which one it should be, you can choose either. If we go with meters, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 2.5 kilometer is going to be 2500 meters. So if we do this in meters, the distance between the town and the beach is going to be 2500 plus 750, and that's going to give us 3250 meters. Now if we talk about giving the answer in kilometers, since 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, so 1 meter is going to be 1 over 1000 kilometers. So 750 divided by 1000 is 0.75 kilometers. So in kilometers, it's going to be 2.5 plus 0.75, and that's 3.25 kilometers. That's your answer. So you can give this in meters or kilometers, whichever way you're comfortable with. Next question says that the same type of dinner plate is sold in two different packs. So we have the small pack that contains 3 plates for a price of 5.25 pounds. Then we have a large pack that contains 12 plates at price of 21.24 pounds. Which is better for value? So what we'll do is we will find the value of one plate for each pack and then compare which one is better for value. So for the small pack, one plate is going to be 5.25 divided by 3, and that is going to give us 1.75 pounds. Then one plate for the large pack, we will do 21.24 divided by 12, and that is going to give us 1.77 pounds. This is for small, this is for large. So as you can see, small plate is offering a better offer because it's 1.75 per plate, but for the large pack, it's 1.77 pounds per plate. So better value is small pack. Next question says share $40 in the ratio 2:3. So in ratios, what we do is we create fractions out of the ratio to show like what each how much like each quantity is present in the ratio. For the first quantity, it's 2 divided by the total quantities in the ratio, so 2 plus 3, which is 2/5. Now to find how much is 2/5 of 40, we multiply 2/5 by $40, and that is basically equal to $16. For the second quantity, we will do 3/5 and times that by 40, which is basically equal to $24. So the $40 is shared in the ratio 16 is to 24. Next question says factorize 15y plus 20. So since it's a linear equation, we can see that there is something common between both the terms. 15 is a multiple of 5. 20 is also a multiple of 5. So if we split 15, 15 is 5 times 3, and we have this y, and 20 is 4 times 5. As you can see, between both 15y and 20, we have 5 common. So whatever is common, that comes outside the bracket, and everything that's not common, that remains inside the bracket. So from 15y, we're left with 3y, and from 20, we're left with 4. So it's going to be 5 times 3y plus 4, and that is your answer.